What is your name?
Isena Gracious,
Coming from?
Patoda.
Patoda. What is your problem?
My problem is, it's actually many doctor, like depression. I suffered from palpitation. And means actually usually a problem used to come one at a time, but this time 4-5 problems attacked at a time. And then because of that, and there was another dog also there. Means it was nearly 2 kg meat is protruding out of that dog's stomach, and every day we used to see it. And with that, like, I used to not sleep. And with that, after that, that sinus also triggered. So it became, then loss of sleep also I suffered, indigestion also, and all the stomach related problems I had.
Also migraine headache.
Migraine is actually, it's not exactly migraine, but it's some type of headache, and that congestion passes.
Where you feel congestion like?
It
You
means
tell
I
me
feel-
how your feelings are.
And now I'm feeling much better.
No, you tell me your old feelings before
Old
treatment.
feeling like congestion was, heavy congestion, and then full body used to burn, like acid type. I don't know what was happening. Even the food in the intestine and all, like it would, if something would go, like I would have that burning sensation. So it was like, unbearable. And I felt as if like it was my end time. I've done allopathic and I got some relief.
How many years you are suffering from?
This problem is this year only, but the sinus was there, it was mild. But with this weakness, I suffered a lot of weakness, and with that all this thing, they came together. So,
And what most symptoms you were having? That day you was telling a lot of things which you was unbearable.
yeah, like I had this gas problem, and with that, like now I used to feel I want to go to the toilet, but I would not pass. So like, and I would feel that palpitation would come like, and then I used to sweat. And even while going for motions and all, I would sweat continuously, hands, legs, feet, full body used to sweat. And then even after a bath, like I used to feel very cold. Everyone would be under the fan, I wouldn't want the fan. That way it used to happen.
Whatever sinus, what was your trouble?
Sinus, one side, nose used to get blocked throughout. Anything, I used to take little water, anything, it used to get blocked. But after your treatment, I can breathe through both the nostrils. I tried even yoga.
But what are the treatment you tried for so many, long time you tried
Long
a lot
time
of
I
things?
was taking allopathic, and it was not that bad. Okay, it was controllable. But then I went for that Ayurvedic treatment
Where?
at Dr. Nagraj Ayur Clinic, Margam, above Sarkari Bandar. And he treated me, but I had told him that once I had visited the acupuncture doctor, and he told me that I have fire heat. And I told him, don't give me any heat medicines. But he gave me that garlic something. With that I took it, and then after this I lost my sleep completely. Then he just told me stop taking it. Then even that digestion medicine, whatever he was giving me, nothing was affecting me. Then finally that allopathic doctor, she treated me with some enzymes, and then some relief I got. But now after coming here, it is like the gas problem and all has.
I mean, how you came to know about our center?
Actually, 1.5 years back, I had visited your clinic with my cousin's son. He had fits. And they said there's no treatment for that, allopathic treatment. So he came here. And with him, like I seen him, and now he's fine. He didn't get it anymore, and he's doing very well. And at that time, doctor, he had eaten vegetarian diet completely, but now he takes little bit of everything, and he's fine, doing well. So he told me, try this, doctor. So I just came, I got fed up. It means I was getting okay, but I found that I had faith that with your treatment I would be completely cured. So I came here, and it's a blessing. I'm really okay.
No problems as such.
No
Because
sign.
you wanted to, do recording on that day when you came in, you told all the sufferings. Really that day you was so weak, there was no
very
energy.
weak. In fact, I
Yeah.
was so weak. If today I wouldn't sleep, doctor, like next day I would fall down. That bad. I couldn't ride my bike, nothing and all. And I wouldn't take my mother out and all, thinking that I might drop her and all. But yesterday I brought her also on the bike, and I'm very confident in my riding and all. It's like I'm like before I feel.
After how many days you found the nostrils and nose and free like?
Nostrils, in fact, the very second day,
Second day treatment you
yes,
find.
yes, I found it okay.
What about gastric and other problem?
Gastric now, means after,
You was taking also tablets for sleep and all other things, no?
yeah, I was taking it, but
After this treatment of this 10 days, what are the things you found normal?
I found sinus, that breathing problem and all, that is gone.
Totally cured.
Then I used to have pain near the heart. That is also gone. And that confidence has come. The main thing.
What about the
Like
sweating?
I would feel that I would never get alright or something. Or it would take a lot of time. This recovery is faster. I felt.
And tell me about what about sweating, what you was getting and all that?
No, sweating and all is not there. And I don't feel weak. Even if a day I miss my little sleep or something, I don't feel weak the next day. I'm okay. And the most of all is I can eat. Before, like if I would miss a little sleep or something, I wouldn't feel like eating vegetarian diet. Now I'm eating complete vegetarian diet.
Okay. What about your stomach problems now?
Stomach is better, the gas and all.
That
it's
has
better.
gone now.
Yeah, it's passing. Motions are better. And before I used to get that greenish stools and all that. Then that all is better. And the stool is better, not like before.
What do you want to advise the people now? Because I have taken recording just within 10 days treatment.
Yeah.
So just what is your advice for the people?
See, it's better to take this treatment and bear the prick than to take other treatments and have more side effects. Here there's no side effects. It might take some time, it might take little time.
But it is not little time or some time, because you are year suffering and you are getting 10 days, or within second day you are getting so much improvement. It is very fast actually.
Yeah. But main thing is there's no side effects in this treatment. So I would advise.
And a lot of side benefits you get, like so many things.
Yeah,
you are energetic, your brightness, everything has been changed.
Before everybody would say I was thin, all that, and I would feel very light. Today I can feel I'm standing. Means I can feel a normal like weight of a person like. Others it was like a feather type. It was very light. So that is there in me. Means the blood circulation and all I feel. It's
Energy has come back.
Yeah, energy has come back. Nerves I feel they are better. Otherwise I used to get some pulling sensation in my head. That is not there. Yeah.
So you are happy now?
Yeah, I'm very much happy.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.